Kama wewe ni mtu wa events, ama wewe uko na kampuni ya events, hawa watu wanakuanga na tents, hawa wanaitangwa wako na PA systems, hawa wanatengenezanga maharusi. Yani kama wewe you deal with events, nimewaletea software yenye hamtaipata mahali pengine. Kwa hivyo nataka nikuonyeshe vile hii yangu inafanya. So hii yetu nimeiita MEMS. MEMS meaning memories, short form for memories. Streamline event planning so nitawachia link mkuje kuangalia. What I want to show you is how it works. Because I have already registered, let me go directly to login. I show you. So nimewapea account ya free ya kutest ndio hii. So wacha ni login. Right now I'm logging in as an admin. Let me show you here. When you are registering hapa unaulizwa wewe ni user type, wewe ni admin ama user. Na bado ukiregister you cannot log in before the super admin ama wenye system wa make sure your account is unblocked. That is a feature for security to make sure sio kila mtu anaingia kwa hiyo system. Ule mtu anaingia kwa hiyo system ni mtu anajulikana. So wacha ni login niwaonyeshe hiyo kitu vile inafanya. So ukiingia hivi, let me login. Just be patient with me. My internet might be slow a little bit. So the moment umeingia hivi, unakuja unapata hapa juu kuna logout. Every time umemalizana na kutumia hiyo software kwa na logout to make sure nobody has access to your software. Then pale chini unaona hapa chini kuna hizi menu ine 1 2 3 4 hizi ziko hapa chini. So hii row ya kwanza ukifinyilia hivi unaona hiyo inajiandika history. Kifinyilia hivi unaona hii imeandika expenses, kifinyilia hivi unaona imeandika incomes, kifinyilia hivi unaona imeandika outcomes. So hii ya incomes na outcomes user hawezi access, lakini admin anaweza access. So the first time umefika hapa unaona hapa imekuandikia latest event notice, event invoice. Hapo ndio unaweza print invoice. Nitakuonyesha vile una print invoice. Kwanza nataka tuongeze event. Hapa unaona hapa chini kumeandikwa all inventory. Hapa ndio unaongeza all your inventory. Kama for example unaona hii big serving dishes, delivery. Hapa ndio unaweza search. Hapa unaandika for example kama unataka garden, unaandika tu, hata sio lazima uandike the full name. Unafinya tu garden, una search, inakuletea zote. All your inventory is very safe. So unaona pale chini kuna 1 2, hizo ni pages. So you can search using pages. For example, let's assume somebody like you. Somebody like Nicki Minaj wants to perform an event and they come to you. They tell you now, I want to have an event. Now you have to prepare the invoice and you have to prepare the delivery note. So how can you do that with these MEMS? Wacha nikuonyeshe. For example, let's say for example wanataka kitu kama hii puppet flowers. You can search here. Hata unaandika tu hapa. Kama ni for example waje tuandike ni tent. Kama ni tent yanataka unafinya tu tent. Una search hapa unapata hapa kuna moja in store 42. So you can kama wewe unaona zimerudishwa, unakuja hapa kwa update. Hapo ndio unarudisha kwa store. Lakini mimi nataka kuonyesha vile una deliver that item to your client. So nakuja nafinya deliver. Alafu inaniambia nijaze hii form. Hii form nakuuliza the required amount. Tuseme for example kama ziko required 50. So wewe in source ni ile wewe uko nayo unaweza afford for 42. Aya, how much you are going to get from others? Tuseme ni for example maji tens unatoa outside. Tuseme ni 8. So this in-source and outsource must balance. If they don't balance, the system will tell you there is a problem. So total amount, ile pesa yote unalipia hiyo kitu, for example tuseme 60,000 for example. So finya add delivery. Ukifinya add delivery, unaona hapa kwa delivery cut, hapa juu imechange sasa, imeanza kusema delivery cut 60,000. Na ikakuletea button ya confirm event. So let me add another item. For example, unaona hizi ziko red lined ni juu they are not in store, but still does not mean you cannot use them. When you want to deliver this thing, you have to click for example, you have to click. Let me show you, for example, 100 seater. Which one? For example, this one. Which one is this one? Public address system with DJ. Let me deliver this one. For example, I say that one you are going to outsource. So it is required one, but now you are in-source as nothing, but you can outsource one. So here, let's say, for example, is 50,000. For example, let's say that. Then you click deliver. Add to deliver. After that, unaona zinakuja zikiongezeka. Compare this one. Alafu hapa inakuwekea vizuri. Aya, let me add another item. For example, which item? Car plate. Let me shake. Aya, let me, for example, king and queen chairs. Let me just put those ones. Let's me say required 3, in source 3, outsource 0. Total amount, let me say 60,000, for example. That is just for example. Then add to delivery. Then unaona hapa kwa delivery yetu imetuambia delivery card inatuambia the total. Now we can confirm event. Confirming event is adding the event owner. Kama ni una select hapa, add the event owner. Unakuja hapa unasema ni card B. Tuseme for example is a colleague. Ama tuseme is a client. Tuseme card B. Aya, for number tuseme for example is this one. Let me say that one is like this one. Let me say that one is 12, for example. Then let me say address. What the fuck is that? Let me say is what? I don't know where she lives. New York, by the way. Let me say New York. Anyway, let me say that. Then confirm event. So after I confirm event, it is now going to give me the permission to print the latest event invoice. Unavinya hapo kwa latest event invoice, unangoja. So unaona hapa inakaa hivi. Hapa chini inakwambia print mobile, print desktop. Kama wewe unatumia simu, print mobile. Kama unatumia desktop, print na using desktop. So waje nivinye hii print mobile. Pale juu kabisa hapa kwa notification bar utaona ime download. It just have to download and waje uone. You see? This one, let me show you how it looks. You see? Now you can just print this receipt and stamp the receipt. Give the receipt to card B. See? And now the event has been confirmed. Let us go back here. Let us go back there and show you the latest delivery note. You can print there. You can print hapa, print mobile. Delivery note is the one you give to your guys who are going to deliver, so that they can have clear information of what they should deliver. You see, in source, outsource is giving the clear information. So let me show you something else. The other menus. So you see hapa chini, let me show you. Naona hapa chini tuko na expenses. For example, let's assume card B we have spent some money. So hapa chini inakuonyesha your expenses. Let's say for example card B, umeweka delivery to card B. Delivery to card B. To card B. Haina shida. Then total amount, let's say for example you used 20,000. Then you also have to add then and outsourcing and outsource. Let's say for example everything you used for card B to outsource and to deliver. For example, let's say it was like 50,000. Let's say it was like 50,000. So just add expense like that. After adding that expense, unaiona imekuja hapa delivery card B and outsourcing. So if you come here to incomes, hapa chini hapo kwa incomes itakuonyesha the total amount of money you have made. For example, unaona hapa imekuonyesha total income 44,000 and the date start of memes from the start of the time you started using the software. So here you search. Kama unataka kusearch by any date, you are free to search with any date. For example, if I put 33 because the software has been completed today, it has just been developed in the past 1 week, so it will give me 0 if I search like that. It should give me 0, you see. So you search. So if I search today 30 like this, it will give me the 4,000. So here you can see everything that has been delivered. It has been listed. You have been given that information clearly. Then here we come to expenses. It is the same. See, you are given the total expenses, date and time. You can search using date and time the way I have shown you. So the admin can be able to see everything, you see. Yes, can be able to see all the expenses. But when we go to a user, when you log out now, log in as a user, for example, let me log in as a user like this. Let me log in as a user like this. Let me log in as a user like that. Login. You see user names. So here I cannot be able to add. So it's the boss who can add. If I try to click update, it cannot work. It just returns there. If you try to click incomes, it returns to latest. If you try to click outcomes, it won't work. So this is the best system, by the way, you can ever find for managing events. If you want to get the software, you just have to reach out to me. I'll leave my contact up. That is it. Another time. Bye.